You. I win.
No, I win.
How about Yo Mama contest?
Yo mama is so fat, she ate a whole bunch of hot dog last night.
Your mama is so big that she used the satellite dish as her diaphragm.
Yo mama is so small that mice can eat her.
Yo mama is so stupid that she don't know how to do 11.
Yo Mama is so thin that she could melt in the sun.
Yo mama is so hungry that she ate 100 cores of meal yesterday.
Your mama is a pig that she slept in my bed.